So there he is, Marianas Taco Shop. I'll try to go Friday. Wow, y'all try to go here Friday. There it is. Look at this one. Woo. That's crazy. Let me turn around. There it is. See how many people are here. Okay, there's space for parking, I guess. Let me try it out. So here's the food. Memory card is running low, so I can't do long. So here's the food. It smells good. Lots of people are pulling up, so I'm gonna get out of here soon. But let me taste. I'm just gonna taste a little bit of taste of the burrito. I didn't want to record inside. Too many people were coming in, so lots of people were showing up. But let me try this out. Yeah, so should be 2 orders of rice, 1 chicken quesadilla. I'll show that later, I guess, when I get back to the house. I got 4 bean burritos, bean and cheese burritos, and then the 3 fish tacos, which that's for someone else. So I'm just gonna taste the burrito real quick. Okay, got the burrito. They're pretty big, so these are small size burritos, right? So I only got 4. I'm gonna split them up. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Need to hurry up. It's 2:10 now. Sailor Moon comes on at 4 p.m. So I'm gonna hurry up and get back. And they're using, unfortunately, the white, mozzarella cheese or white cheddar cheese. I got it wrapped up well though, but it should still be good. Let me see what this is about. So yeah, I just came from doing the presentation. It was nice, man. Got to meet a lot of students. And then it's good. It tastes like, a higher quality like Tex-Mex, but it's good. Yeah, so this place is closer. This is in Frisco. So, Marianas in Frisco. It's good. Like I said, a little small place over there. Not those big chains that don't taste good. So this might be my new Mexican food spot. It's the closest that of some good Tex-Mex quality. So no, it doesn't taste as good as Alberto's Arizona or California food, but it's good enough for what it is. I'll do some more videos later when I get back. I'll taste the quesadilla. So I'll see you. Okay, the rice is very good. It's better than Taqueria Los Angeles in Plano, and I think it's better than La Victoria near downtown Dallas. The rice is good. I'm gonna test out the quesadilla. Oh yeah, the quesadilla is good too, and at least the quesadilla has like that Mexican mix. It's like it's the yellow cheddar cheese, and then you have the white going. So at least there's some yellow in that. Now the burrito, unfortunately, is entirely the the usual white mozzarella that they have like Tex-Mex. So, but quesadilla has the yellow cheese, good. This is guacamole. I haven't tried it with that. I like the quesadilla, and there's an option to get shredded and grilled, and I went with grilled, of course. So, yeah, man, I'm enjoying it. Actually, the burrito has a bit of that mixed yellow cheese. Actually, just a little bit.